look at this dude. Look at his hair.
Let me show you bitch ass bitches how to cook one of these beats and shit. I'm gonna start from the top, talk about some of this historical fucking bullshit, whatever. Alright, so I was doing this YouTube fucking studio tour bullshit. It's like a long time ago and shit. It's something I gotta revisit though, you know what I'm saying? It's like the Phantom. It's a legendary keyboard. They got a lot of shit I fought with. You know what I'm saying? It's been making a comeback in hip hop. Pretty much though, that's how you make these fucking beats and shit. You just get the fucking keyboard and you make the fucking beats. It's like, oh man, check me out, bro. Ooh. Fucking A. This method is, you know, it just works. You want to make some like 80s shit, you get a fucking 80s keyboard. You want to get like some of this shit, you get some of that shit. You know, you fucking idiot, you didn't know this shit. So now we gotta get you one of these Phantoms, you know what I'm saying? It's a couple different ways how you can go about getting this shit. One is you could just get a gun and just fucking steal it from someone. Or you could just buy that shit, you know what I'm saying, like off of these websites and shit. But, you know what I'm saying, I think the whole hardware thing, you know what I'm saying, it's fucking bullshit in my opinion. Unless you got all the patience in the world, because, you know, you got the fucking, you know, the hardware fucking problems and shit. Like, it's heavy, it's dusty, you gotta hook it up and into the software, you know, you gotta hook that up and, I mean, I don't know, does this look like fun to you? Doing all this fucking bullshit? Look at this shit. Who the hell wants to do this shit? You just say fuck that shit and get an emulator though, you know what I'm saying? Just don't get the North Sea track one, cause it's not tempo synced and that's fucking bullshit. It sounds like my fucking balls. I'm just saying, cause I've been seeing people using the Chronos North Sea track. I don't know if that shit's tempo sync. If you do come across some untempo sync sounds and shit, just record them in and export that shit and then you know what I'm saying, set this shit to stretch and shit. It should sound good enough. Nobody really fucking cares, you know what I'm saying, as long as it sounds good. I'm using some one shots today because I don't fucking feel like it. I've been talking too much. I'm just gonna cook up this beat, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do one of these monotone beats. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the thematic consistency and shit. It's like, oh, you think it's not gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what you think after all this shit. Alright, that shit work. And now for the treble, you know, just make some other stupid shit. And then, you know, to add some atmosphere, I'm gonna put some of these alien ass sounds and shit, you feel me? Tell you about these drums though, it's fucking, I'ma just be using the OG Atlanta shit, you know. Let me show you how I made this 808. And it's just like, what the fuck you making 808s for? But check it out, man. This shit, it could get interesting, you know what I'm saying? Just listen, man. Look, bro, listen, bro. So I make my own 808s sometimes and shit. I be trying to make shit similar to spins. See the shit from the beginning, right? That shit's like doubled up, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'll just do right here and shit, right? It's to double it up, and then we just gotta record that bitch in Edison. Now I gotta get rid of all this unnecessary bullshit. You gotta do two things. Real important, man, is activate that zero snapping that shit, you know what I'm saying? Because this is what's gonna make a snap to this fucking shit. And that's real important and shit. And then you gotta disable this, whatever the fuck this is. This is like some like smooth shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't fucking want it to be smooth. And then that's what we come up with. Just sounds good, you know what I'm saying? Or if you want, you could just rip the spins, you know what I'm saying? Like you could just do some weird freaky shit, you know what I'm saying? Like check this one out. I call this one Chase the Spins. Alright, so the beat's done and shit, right? The last shit you could do, you know what I'm saying, if you're trying to be fancy with it, is you could put like one of these filters on it, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't put one of these bitch filters. I would just use the real, you know, the real man's filters, the fucking, the love filter.
That's the colors, that's the RGB colors, motherfucker. That's not rainbow, bitch. Yeah. I know what the fuck I'm talking about.